What is noun? Nouns definition. Nouns are words that indicate a person, place, or thing. In a sentence, noun can function as the subject or the object of a verb or preposition. Nouns can also follow linking verbs to rename or re-identify the subject of a sentence or clause. These are known as predicate nouns. The subject the subject in a sentence or clause is the person or thing doing, performing, or controlling the action of the verb. For example, the dog chased its tail. The noun dog is performing the action of the verb chase. Mary reads a book every week. The proper noun Mary is performing the action of the verb read. Objects. Grammatical objects have three grammatical roles: the direct object of a verb, the indirect object of a verb, or the object of a preposition. Direct object. Direct objects are what receive the action of the verb in a sentence or clause. What receive the action. For example, the dog chased its tail. The noun tail now here is receiving the action of the verb chase. Mary reads a book every week. The noun book is receiving the action of the verb read. Indirect objects. An indirect object is the person or thing who receives the direct object of the verb. For instance, please pass Jeremy the salt. The proper noun Jeremy is receiving the direct object salt, which receives the action of the verb pass. I sent the company an application for the job. The noun company is receiving the direct object application, which receives the action of the verb sent. Objects of preposition. Nouns are also used after prepositions to create prepositional phrases. When a noun is a part of a prepositional phrase, it is known as the object of the preposition. For example, your backpack is under the table. The noun table is the object of the preposition under, which creates the prepositional phrase under the table. I am looking for work. The noun work is the object of the preposition for, which creates the prepositional phrase for work. Predicate nouns. Nouns that follow linking verbs are known as predicate nouns, sometimes known as predictive nouns. Now, the predicate noun, also known as the predictive nouns, these serve to rename or re-identify the subject. If the noun is accompanied by any direct modifiers such as articles, adjectives, or prepositional phrases, the entire noun phrase acts predictively. For example, love is a virtue. The noun phrase a virtue follows the linking verb is to rename the subject love. Tommy seems like a real bully. The noun phrase a real bully follows the linking verb seems to rename the subject Tommy. Maybe this is a blessing in disguise. The noun phrase a blessing in disguise follow the linking verb is to rename the subject this. Next, there is go to the section on subject complements in the part of guide that covers syntax to learn more. Now we will learn about it in next pages. Next, there is categories of nouns, and there are many different kinds of nouns, and it's important to know the different way each type can be used in a sentence. We will talk about it also, the different types of noun, and this is very important to know that how many kinds of nouns are there. And noun is the basic thing in English